Alright, my NG family, man, we're back with another video. We got a short film called After the Rain by Omeleto. We recently watched some short films from them, but this is, I'm thinking, an animated short film by the thumbnail, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. You know, I like my animated short films too. Gotta give them some love, man. Gotta give them some love. We definitely gonna see how this is. Oh, it's a little doggy woggy. It's a little doggy moggy moggy. He's giving me Up vibes. Man, that's the life, man. Chilling, got you a dog. You ain't worried about no bills, no none of that. You living life. So majestic. Hold on, what the fuck? He's magical. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, he ain't no regular. He ain't no regular. After the rain. Oh, he makes the clouds? Yo, what if this is actual real? Like, what if there's somebody up there that makes the clouds? It's so majestic. All he needed some rod wave and he good. No, what happened to Gramps? No, oh no, man. Come on, man. You gotta get up, buddy. You gotta make these clouds. It'd be hot as hell outside. Come on. Oh, man. Come on, bro. Oh, he protected the land. Aw, no, bro. Well, that dog is really stepping up to the plate. Ain't nobody got no excuse. Oh, snap. Don't get hurt, little puppy wuppy dummy. Oh, snap. He just got an idea. Yes, sir. Come on. Stuff all of them in there. Stuff them. Stuff them. God, that's what I'm talking about. Do your stuff. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on now. What I'm talking about, bruh. Now the dog can take care of the whole village, bro. By himself, bro. But who's gonna feed him? Is he ever gonna eat? What? Who's gonna feed Kimmy? Matter of fact, I'm gonna name you Falcon. That is my dog name. I'm gonna name you Falky Walky Malky. God dang, bro. Who's gonna feed him though, bro? Like he's gonna sit there and starve for the rest of his life. Cause his owner done passed the mast. Oh, come on, bro. But hey though, that was a very, very inspiring story to get your butt up and you can do it yourself. If you ever learn, you live, you never live to learn to learn. That is After the Rain by Omeleto. If you guys enjoy these short films, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell. You might as well like the video because you don't watch it to the end. And join the NG family, man. The NG family is going to go up and be something spectacular. Do you understand me? But it's your boy, the real PSW. Also, you can send me recommendations and I will react to them as soon as possible. Like, we get these videos out every day. Every day there's a new video. Literally. And I'm not going to lie to you. I think there's going to be like something new. I think I'm going to do something new. I'm not going to tell you guys because I don't want to ruin it. But yeah, it's going to be something new. So, it's your boy, the real PSW. Until the next video, I'm out.